Hello friends, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. Today we are going to discuss solenoid valve types. If you are an engineer or a technician, you must know the importance of the solenoid valves. Look friends, solenoid valve is a valve and it has a coil and a plunger. A supply is given to coil. From here a supply is given, and after this supply plunger moves and valve opens and closes. So this is a simple working of solenoid valve. Now let's discuss its types. The first type is 2x2 solenoid valve. Now what does it mean? It means that these are ports and it shows position. Ports, two ports are there, 1 and 2. One is input and one is output. And positions means close and open. Two positions are there. It opens and closes. So this is 2x2 solenoid valve and it is used in water lines. Now friends, next type is 3x2 solenoid valve. 3x2 solenoid valve. Now this shows port and this shows position. Ports means one is input, one is output and one is exhaust. Positions are open and close. Here you can see three ports are shown. 1, 2, 3. Here one is for input, one port is for output and other port is for exhaust. This one is exhaust. And it is used to control single acting cylinder. Okay, or it can also be used to control the single acting valve. Look friends, if you want the PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. Let's move further. And the another one is 4x2 solenoid valve. Here 4 ports are there and 2 positions are there. Positions are same, open and close. Now what are the 4 ports? One is input, 2 ports are for output and 1 port for exhaust. Here 1 and 2 ports are here and 2 ports will be here. You can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 port is connecting here and other port is connecting here. So 4 ports are there. 1 port is for exhaust. This one is for exhaust. Okay. Now this type of solenoid valve is used for double acting cylinder. Here 2 outputs are there. One output for open the cylinder and another output for closing the cylinder. Now friends, we will discuss the next type and it is 5x2 solenoid valve. 5x2 solenoid valve. Now again These are the ports, and this shows the position. Position is same, open and close. 5 ports means 1 port is for input, 2 ports for output, and 2 ports for exhaust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this one is input. These two are outputs, and these 2 ports are exhaust. Okay, now the connection will be like this. Here it is input. 2 outputs are connected at different ports to open and close the valve or to open and close the cylinder, and 2 exhausts are present. Okay, so this type of valve is used for double acting cylinder, and for ball valve and butterfly valve. If we are taking this ball valve, then these output connections will be connected here, and ball valve or butterfly valve will open and close according to the signal received. So this is 5x2 solenoid valve. I think it is clear to you. Now friends, we will make a table so that you can understand easily. 2x2, 3x2, 4x2 and 5x2. If we talk about the ports, then it will have 2 ports, this will have 3 ports, this will have 4 ports, and this will have 5 ports. If we talk about inputs, this valve will have 1 input, all valve will have 1 input. Okay, now come to outputs. 2x2 will have 1 output, 3x2 will have 1 output, 4x2 will have 2 outputs, and 5x2 it will have 2 outputs. If we talk about the exhaust ports, then in 2x2 there are 0 exhaust ports, in 3x2 there is 1 exhaust port, in 4x2 there are 2 exhaust ports, and in 5x2 there are 2 exhaust ports. So if you calculate here to here, 1 plus 1, it will come 2. 1, 1, 1, 3 ports. Here it will be 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 1, 4 ports, and 2, 2, 1, 5 ports. In 4x2, exhaust port is 1. Please correct it, and please make this table. This table is very important for you to understand the solenoid valve types. So friends, this was our video. Thanks for watching the video. If you want the PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. And for more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today, and thanks for watching the video.